is extremely unsafe and cheap, because I don't know if you can see it, just the end of the ratchet that I put it there is not, you know, straight. So what may happen is, you know, this end may slip underneath, and it's just definitely the bad part. So yeah, but just a couple of, maybe roughly 70 centimeters, and that's it. End of the day. Hopefully the last bit is the hardest usually, but hopefully, because there are two more wheels at the front, they will touch, and then I'll be able to lower it with an extreme precision, hopefully. Alright, that's it. That's how you lower an equipment. There you go. That's my setup. As you can see, I'm using the end of the ute as a sort of fulcrum point with the wood bits and stuff. So yeah.